Upstate Health Sciences Library presents an introduction to ERIC. ERIC stands for Education Resources Information Center. ERIC contains more than 1 million records and links to hundreds of thousands of full-text documents. To access ERIC from the library homepage, go to Resources, Databases, type in ERIC, click Filter, and you'll see you have two choices, ERIC or ERIC Mobile. If you're on a mobile device, click ERIC Mobile. If you're on a laptop or PC, click ERIC. By default, you're taken to the Advanced Search screen. The Advanced Search screen will give you more searching flexibility than a basic search. Go ahead and type your search term in the first text box. In this example, we'll use curriculum development. Notice the auto-populate. These terms are keywords found in the abstract of an article. They are not subject or descriptors. To the right of the search box is a drop-down menu. This menu gives you the ability to search for your term in fields such as text, title, author, and more. If you have a key concept and wish to avoid searching all text, you may want to consider narrowing by SU, which stands for subject or descriptors, which we'll use in this example. Use the text boxes to separate your concepts, unlike PubMed where you include your search terms all in one field. In the next text box, I'll add the term nursing. Take note that the default Boolean operator is AND. To learn more about Boolean terms, click Help in the top right corner of the screen. We recommend you stick with AND unless you're excluding something, then you may consider using NOT. For example, curriculum development, not elementary education. Scrolling down, you'll see you have the option to add limits, such as full text only or a date range. Education level, intended audience, and ERIC number are limits that are unique to the ERIC database. You might want to consider using secondary education to limit your search. Go ahead and scroll through education level until you find secondary education. Then scroll back up and click the search button. This search retrieved 20 results. If you aren't sure which terms to use, you may want to consult the ERIC Thesaurus, located at the top of the screen. Click on the word thesaurus, and on this page, I'll go ahead and enter curriculum as one of my concepts. Go ahead and click on the word browse. Below, you'll see the thesaurus gives you options on how to narrow your concept. Clicking on the term itself, I'll go ahead and click on curriculum. You'll see you're provided with a scope note which explains how the term is used. It also suggests related terms. While you can create a search right in the thesaurus, the library staff recommends you only consult the thesaurus for selecting your terms. Then go back to the advanced search screen to conduct your actual search. The reason for this is because the thesaurus, ERIC will interpret your term selection as an exact descriptor, also known as DE in the drop-down field. This will greatly narrow your search, possibly leaving you with too limited quantity of results. Please note, full text may not be available as often as you're accustomed to, as ERIC not only includes articles, but serves as a clearinghouse for dissertations and more. However, we do not advise you to limit your search by articles only, as you'll be missing out on important ERIC documents which may be of value in your research. If you have any questions, please contact the library.